1. Working capital is dash net working capital.
Correct answer is A.
2. The amounts needed to compute a company's working capital come from which of the following financial statements?
Correct answer is A.
3. Working capital is equal to.
Correct answer is B.
4. If a company has current assets of $230,000 and current liabilities of $100,000, the amount of its working capital is.
Correct answer is C.
5. How will the total amount of a company's working capital change when a $10,000 account receivable is collected?
Correct answer is C.
6. How will the total amount of a company's working capital change when the company pays $8,000 of its accounts payable?
Correct answer is C.
7. The section of the statement of cash flows that shows the adjustments to most of a company's working capital accounts is the cash flows from dash activities.
Correct answer is C.
8. The working capital ratio is.
Correct answer is C.
9. Which of the following is a long-term source of working capital?
Correct answer is C.
10. A company received a $5,000 invoice for consulting services it had received. The company chooses to use its business credit card instead of paying cash. Under the accrual method of accounting, will the use of the credit card result in the company having more working capital?
Correct answer is B.